Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of January, 2025, our system has categorized Apple as a hold or accumulate, with a score of negative 0.57. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and mild upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trajectory. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 4.79% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 1.19% to an increase of 16.19%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it forecasts a change of around 43.08% over the next year, with potential returns between 34.93% and 60.23%. This suggests a projected price range of between $320.58 to $380.69 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline: Apple stock upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Thursday trading session. The Apple stock price decreased by approximately 0.739% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025. The price dropped from $239.36 to $237.59. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.51%, with a low of $237.21 and a high of $240.79. Overall, the price has been quite volatile during this period, resulting in a loss of 0.12% over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume typically follows stock movements. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 247,000 shares, with a total of 45 million shares changing hands for approximately $10.64 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $260.09, while the lowest price reached $164.08. Currently, the price sits at 8.65%, or $22.50, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. recently revealed its quarterly earnings, highlighting both strengths and weaknesses. The tech giant achieved record revenue of $124.3 billion for the holiday quarter, representing a 4% increase compared to the previous year. Earnings per share reached $2.40, surpassing analysts' expectations. However, iPhone sales fell short, missing revenue targets by approximately $2 billion, primarily due to a significant 11% decline in revenue from China amid intense competition and a sluggish rollout of artificial intelligence. Consequently, Apple shares dropped 1.6% in after-hours trading. This mixed earnings report suggests that while Apple's services and app sales performed well, declining iPhone sales, particularly in a critical market like China, may raise concerns for investors. In the short term, the negative response in the stock price could linger, as market sentiment often reacts quickly to unmet expectations. Long-term ramifications may depend on how Apple addresses this sales decline, especially its capability to innovate and adapt to shifting market conditions in China. Maintaining revenue growth without strong iPhone performance will necessitate a solid strategy in its services division and possibly new product lines to restore investor confidence. Ultimately, Apple's future direction will rely on its ability to recover from this sales decline and effectively leverage its broader ecosystem. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned Apple Inc. a perform grade and took a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned Apple Inc. a buy grade and took a hold action. On Thursday, the 9th of January, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned Apple Inc. an underweight grade and took a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that MoffettNathanson assigned Apple Inc. a sell grade and took a downgrade action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Apple Inc. an outperform grade while taking a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 6.71%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, several negative signals have been issued as well, which may influence near-term developments. The Apple stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Concurrently, the long-term average reflects a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, a general sell signal exists for the stock, indicating a more pessimistic forecast. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $242.30. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $230.76. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, further strengthening the general signal. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger Bands also indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The short-term moving average produced a buy signal 5 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average generated a sell signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 15 days ago. When reviewing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 175 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $232.87. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.58, which is 1.51%. In the last week, the stock demonstrated an average daily volatility of 2.72%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. The PE ratio for Apple is considered relatively normal, typically observed in companies with established track records or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 30th of January, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates of $2.36. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $238.26. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $232.87. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a possible rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of January 2025, Parek Kevin conducted an insider purchase of 36,767 shares of restricted stock units. On the 16th day of December 2024, Jeffrey E. Williams executed an insider sale of 13,925 shares of common stock. On the 16th day of December 2024, Jeffrey E. Williams conducted another insider sale of 34,752 shares of common stock. On the 16th day of December 2024, Jeffrey E. Williams performed yet another insider sale of 42,939 shares of common stock. On the 16th day of December 2024, Jeffrey E. Williams also conducted an insider sale of 8,384 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 27.362. In total, insiders purchased 2,096,037 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $227.25, reflecting a decrease of 4.35%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal that emerged from a pivot bottom identified 7 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive indicators. However, we believe these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it is more appropriately viewed as a hold candidate, meaning it should be held or accumulated while we await further developments. Our analysis has been updated since the last evaluation, moving from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 31st of January, we anticipate that Apple will open at approximately 94 cents higher, starting trading at $238.53. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.